Hi, Algebra 2 Trig students. I am here to help you review for your SOL this year, and I have selected 3 problems that I think some students struggled on that I would like to help you review for. And I have also selected 4 vocab terms that might help you understand how to work the problems more. First, we can go over the vocab words. So first I picked coefficient, which is basically the number in front of any variable or letter that you can use. So I gave you some examples. So in these, 2 would be the coefficient, -7, 8, 2/3, 9/5, and pi. You could tell that all these are the coefficients because they are numbers in front of the x or y in this case. And I would like to focus on the pi. Pi, most students wouldn't think is a coefficient, but really pi is 3.14 and so on. It's an everlasting number. It doesn't end. So we just use the symbol for pi because it's shorter, but it is still a number in front of a variable. Next, I would like to define term. And term is it's usually a coefficient with a number, or it could just be the number or the coefficient. So in these cases, 3x, 2y, and 8 would be the term in the problem. You don't count the signs, multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, any of those. Those would not count as the terms. They are just separators of the terms usually. So in this one, -5x squared and x would be the terms. Okay, next, quadratic equation. This quadratic equation is an equation with a degree of 2, meaning that 2 is the highest exponent form that could be in the term. And this is the standard form for quadratic equations, ax squared plus bx plus c. And you just have to memorize this one, but usually in all quadratic equations that will show up in some form or the other. Okay. Next, function notation, or just a function. It is a relationship between 2 quantities in which every input corresponds to exactly 1 output. So the main thing that you will see in a problem is f parentheses x, which in this here means the value of f at x, or it could also mean f of x. But you will see this in a problem where you will have to input any number in for x into the problem.